Hello, Halletino here, and thank you for joining me. Haha. So we're going to be doing the second fishing journey video. And as you know, the rule is catch 5 fish, then proceed to end the video. Along with basically maybe one other task, like find 1 egg or harvest 1 plant. I don't know what we're going to run into, so let's find a good fishing spot. Where is a good fishing spot? Give me the fish. Can we fish here? No, we cannot fish. I want to go fishing. I swear, if I don't find a fishing spot somewhere soon, I'm gonna freak out. It's gotta be somewhere. Are you kidding me? I just had to look for the little whirlpools. Okay, we found our fishing spot. And I'm stuck under the boards. Where am I? What are we gonna get? What is that? Jungle fish. It's a jungle fish. Second fish. Second fish. Give me my second fish now. I missed my second fish. That's sad. Too sad to talk about. We're gonna have to retry the second fish. I don't care about the time trial. I only care about fish. It's a blue fish. It's a blue fish. It's a beautiful blue fish. It's a blue fish. I didn't even know that bluefish was the name of the fish. I just said it was a blue fish. I just said it was a blue fish. Wow. Smart. Third fish. Jungle fish. It's a blue fish. I like the blue fish. The blue fish is a pretty blue fish. That's why it's the blue fish. That's why it's called the blue fish, because it's pretty and it's blue. It's a blue fish. Is this the 5th fish? I think this is the 5th. But after this, I'm going to do a bonus fish because I care. It's another blue fish. The blue fish is the best blue fish out of all the fish. And here goes the bonus fish. What kind of fish are we going to catch today? What is that? I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before in my life. I need to know what that is. What is that? A long nose. A rare fish. There we go. Now we got all 3 fish. We have the jungle fish, the blue fish, the long nose fish. And that was our last fish as well. Thank you for joining me on this second episode, or the second story in our series of the ultimate fishing journey in Dragon Adventures. Goodbye, fellow beans.